सर्ववेदेष्वनेकत्वम् उपास्तेरथवैकता अनेकत्वं कौतुमादि नाम धर्म विभेदतः विधिरूपपदैकत्वात् एकत्वं नाम न श्रुतम् शिरोव्रताख्यधर्मस्तु स्वाध्याये चान्नवेदने
सर्ववेदेषु उपास्तेः अनेकत्वम् अथवा उपास्तेः अथवा उपास्तेः अनेकत्वम् अथवा एकता अनेकत्वम् कौथुमादि नाम धर्म विभेदता. Be careful, don't make Kauthumadi naam. That adharma will come there. Kauthumadi, little sound. Sunday was known. So, Kauthumadi nama dharma विभेदतः विधिरूप फलैकत्वात् एकत्वं नाम न श्रुतम् शिरोव्रताख्य धर्मः तु स्वाध्याये स्यात् न वेदने और वेदने न स्यात् वेदने न स्यात्. डाउट. सर्ववेदेषु उपास्तेः अनेकत्वम् अथवा एकता. In all the Vedas, in Upanishads, etc., the Vedas, upastehe upasana, anekatvam means are there many upasanas enjoined in other different Upanishads, Vedas, athava, or only one upasana is there. Here upasana is not all upasana program. Similar type of name. With respect to one given upasana, many statements are there in different Upanishads. Do they differ or are they one? That way it is. Varieties of upasanas are there. But with respect to one and the same upasana, many statements are there in many Upanishads. Do they differ or they are one? That is what the question. Purapaksha says, Anekatvam. There are many. He gives two reasons. Nama and Dharma. He says, these upasanas have a different name. Kauthuma Adi. Kauthuma is the name of upasana. Adi for Vajasaneyaka. Adi for Vajasaneyaka. Kauthuma upasana belong to Chandogya Upanishad. Vajasaneyaka upasana belong to Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. So therefore he says that names are different. Therefore they should be different upasana. Again, Dharma. Dharma here is karma. Shirovrata. Those who take to this should take to Shirovrata. Shirovrata literally carrying the fire on the head. So different karmas are said because they are different upasanas, therefore different karmas are told. So it should be like this. Kauthumadi nama vibhedataha dharma vibhedataha vayasika. Nama should go with vibhedataha, again dharma again should go with vibhedataha. Because of differences in the name and differences in the karma enjoyed. This is the Purapaksha, therefore he says all these upasanas differ from one another. Siddhanta says Vidhi Rupa Phalaikatva. Because of Ekatva. Ekatva means because being one and the same. Vidhi. Vidhi here is Vidhi Vakya. Do this. So that is Vidhi. So that is means Upasana are one and the same in all Upanishads, Vedanta, because Vidhi, the enjoining, Rupa, nature of the Upasana, and Phala, result of Upasana are one and the same. Do this type of Upasana is same, nature also same, Phala also same, therefore what they don't differ, they are one and the same. Then what about the Nama? I told you, Kauthuma, Vajasanayaka. My dear, these Nama names are not given by the Vedas. These are the labels given by followers of those Shakhas. Kauthuma is the Shakha Pratipadaka, and therefore who follow that Shakha, they say Kauthuma Upasana. But Chandogya Upanishad has not told this, not given this. Again, Vajasanayaka. So therefore what? It's a Shakha. So Shakha Pravartaka. So those who follow, they give the name what? Vajasanayaka. But Brihadaranyaka has not told this. So therefore it says Nama na Shrutam. Na Shrutam means Na Shruti Pratipaditam. Na Shrutam, Na Shruti Pratipaditam. It is not given by, established by, attributed by Shruti. What about the Shirovratadi karma? He says, Shirovratadi karma do not belong either to Upasana nor to knowledge. It belongs to Swadhyaya. Those who want to take to study of the Upanishad. So learn the not Upanishad, Vedas. Those who want to learn the Vedas, recension of the Vedas, they have to take to that karma, Shirovratadi. It has no connection with either Upasana or Brahma Dhyana. So that we say, Shirovratakya dharmastu. The karma called like Shirovrata, etc. Swadhyayesya. It is with respect to Swadhyaya, study of the Vedas, learning of the Vedas. Vedane nasya. It doesn't belong to Vedana, means either Upasana or Brahma Jnana. So therefore, the Upasanas told in all the Vedanta are one and the same. Namadi Abheda, names etc. being similar, he says Abhedam means they are one and the same. That is what is told here. Sarva Vedanta iti. Sutra Sarva Vedanta Pratyayam Chodanarja Vishesha. Sarva Vedanta Pratyayam means the upasanas that are revealed by all the Upanishads, like Shandilyadi Upasanas. Then it says, add there, na vidyate kutaha. Add na vidyate kutaha. Upasana told in different Upanishads like Shandilyadi Vidya don't differ. Means a given specific Upasana told in different Upanishads doesn't differ. Now kutaha, how come? Sutra gives the reason. Chodanadya Vishesha. Chodanadinam. Chodanadinam means Chodana here is विधिवाक्य. Chodanaadina means vidhi-vakyadina. Adi for rupa, phala. Adina. Avishesha. Avishesha for tulyatva. So what is that? Adi. Adi for technically what is called as Sayoga. Rupa. Samakhya means name. Naam. Because of similarity, they don't differ. Chodanadi avishesha. That is tulyatva. Difference in the given upasana told in different shakhas. Kanchit, some difference, ashankya, having doubted, pariharati. Kaha pariharati? Sutrakaraha pariharati. The Sutrakara dispels these doubts. Vedat na iti ched. Vedat na iti ched. Na ekasyam api. Vedat. For example, just as amikshawajinaha, we have seen, because of Rupa Veda, Yaga Veda is there. Like that, here also, some Rupa Veda is there. How? In Panchagni Vidya, Chandogya speaks of 5 fires and Brihadaranyaka speaks of 6 fires. So therefore what? Rupa Veda is there or not? And therefore what should happen? There, because of Rupa Veda, Karma Veda was there or not? Vaishwadevi, Amiksha, Vadi, Vadinam, Vadi. So that is what is there told. Like that, here also what? Different upasana is there. It says, Na Veda. Because of such differences, if you say upasana differ, Na, that means, that is, Aikyam na asti iti na che. Na iti che. Na means, Aikya is not there. Iti che. Because of some difference in the upasana rupa, if you argue that upasanas differ, it is iti che. Na, second na. Na means what? You should not doubt like this. First na by who? Purapaksha. Because of Rupa Veda, upasanas differ. Na means what? They are not the same. Iti che. If you argue, na, Siddhanta says, you should not doubt like this. I say, ekasyamapi. In a given upasana also, Rupa Veda, Upasya Veda is possible. Ekasyamapi means ekavidhayamapi. In a given type of upasana, Rupa Veda, some minor difference in the upasya is what? Possible. Just like, say, that is, Atirastra, he gives, you are ducking under Karma Kanda, no? Do study properly. In Karma Kanda, Atirastra is a karma. Shodashi is a patra. Some take that Shodashi patra, some don't take. Option is there. Atirastra karma is one and the same. But Rupa Veda is there or not? So, like that, here also, in Upasana, so though Upasana is a slight distinction in the, not major, but slight distinction in the Upasya is possible. Therefore, Ekasyamapi, even a given Upasana also, like in the case of Karma, slight Upasya Veda is possible. Vedakatvam Pratyaha. Only because somewhere, what is that? Some Achara Vishesha is additional. That's why, because that was one of the reasons given by the Purvaksha, Upasana difference, which is not correct. Swadhyayasya tathatvena. Hi samachare adhikarachya samavachya sanyamaha. Swadhyayasya tathatvena. Like say, Shirovrata etc. has to be done.
And therefore he had told, Puravaksha had told earlier, Upasana differs. Who told you Shirovrata etc. this dharma is for Upasana? It is Swadhyaya Vidhi. See, it is for a student who wants to study the Vedas. Adhyayana is not Upasana. Swadhyaya is not Upasana. So therefore, Swadhyayasya means Swakiya Adhyayanasya means Shirovrata etc. some achara, some karma is anga of what? Swadhyaya, study of the Vedas. Natu upasanayaha anga vidyayaha. It is not anga of what? Upasana. How do you say so? Kutaha? Answer is given. Tathat hi tathatvena. He, because tathatvena. Tathatvena means such vratas etc. are clearly mentioned as anga of Swadhyaya. Question comes, where samachare? Which samachara? Mumbai samachara? समाचारे क्या समाचार है? It's not this समाचार. समाचार is a text ग्रंथ वेद व्रतोपदेश वेद व्रतोपदेशक ग्रंथ, a text which describes the different vratas, vows to be taken for different karmas of swadhyaya etc. So samachare, therefore what? It is anga of adhyayana only and not of upasana. How do you say so? If you want, other reason is given. Adhikarachya. Adhikarachya means it speaks of eligible person for swadhyaya. Na etad achirana vrataha adhite. One who has not taken to Shirovrata is not eligible to take to adhyayana of atharvana shakha. So therefore what? Adhikar. Adhikara based topic is that the topic is what? The prakarana is what? Adhikara also is prakarana. Prakarana is of swadhyaya only. So adhikara. Cha. Other thing. Nacha etad achirna vrataha adhite. That cha stands for adhite. It is not upaste. Adhite means what? Who does adhyayana? Therefore what? It is meant for what? Swadhyaya and not for this thing. So that is okay. So adhikara, prakarana is so, and clear cut clue is there in terms of adhite etc. So another reason is given for illustration. Savachya. Savayar is homa, like 7 homas. So that is 7 homas. This we will see more in the Bhashya. There are 7 homas starting from Saurya to Shataudana. But these homas have no connection with Treta Agni told in the other shakhas. See, in the Atharvana shakha, 7 homas are told, beginning from Saurya to Shataudana. But in the other shakha, Treta Agni is told. Now these 7 homas are not told there where? In the Treta Agni as such, and therefore what? These 7 homas are exclusively meant for the followers of Atharvana Veda. It is not for others. This is the niyama, tanniyamaha. This is the niyama. So that is what? Tanniyamaha. So that is what? The rule that Shirovrata is meant for those who take to the Swadhyaya of Atharvana Veda, Mundaka, Shakha. Tanniyamaha. This is the niyama of Shirovrata. Take action. There is no upasana bheda on account of dharma bheda. There is no upasana bheda on account of dharma bheda. Next page, Sutra 3 ends. Dharma Veda, you know, Vrata Veda or Achara Veda or Karma Vishesha Veda. Sutra 3 and next page. Tasma, therefore, api anavadyam vidyaikatvam. Vidyayaha ekatvam anavadyam. So that sameness of upasana is what? Flawless. It is without any mistake. Anavadyatvam. So therefore, Rupa Veda cannot be Upasana Veda, the reason for Upasana Veda. Dharma Veda cannot be the reason for Upasana Veda. Line 4 from bottom. Kincha, middle, Vidyaikatvoktya Brahma Vidyayaha Tavad Aikyam Sarvatra Vedaha Darshayati. Vidyaikatvoktya. Vidya being what the Veda, not Veda, Vedyaikatva, not Vidya, Vedya. Here Vedya is thing to be known, Brahma, not Upasana. So that's why Vedyaikatva, Vedyasya Brahmanaha Ekatva. The Brahma whose knowledge is to be gained, being one and the same. Brahma Vidyayaha Tavad Aikyam Sarvatra Vedaha Darshayati. Indeed, what entire Veda shows, Brahma Vidya is one and the same. Tatha anyatra api Vedya bhede api vidyaikatvam iti aha darshayati. So anyatra api, anyatra means here upasnayam api. In the case of upasana also, Vedya bheda, yeah, Vedya bhede, Vedyanam abhede. It is not Veda, Abheda there. So Vedyanam is Upasyanam Abhede api Vidyaikam Vidyayaha Aikam iti Darshayati cha. Darshayati cha. So also take the sutra. Darshayati cha. Darshayati cha. Cha stands for Tatha. So also Shruti points out. Shruti points out that just as so Brahma Vidya is one and the same as well, so also wherever Upasya is one and the same, so Upasana is one and the same. So Darshayati, what is that? For example, Sarve Vedaha Yat Padamamananti. Omkara. Omkara as the one which reveals the Brahma is one and the same in all the Upanishads. So therefore, see, Brahma is whom, the Omkara which reveals is whom, therefore Brahma Vidya also is one and the same. Tatha, cha is for Tatha. So also, for example, a Vaishvanara Vidya told in Vajasnayika Shakha is the same as the one told in the Chandogya Shakha. So because Upasya is one, Upasya differs. Upasya differs means basically should differ, not minor. That minor differences will not bring the Rupa Veda, minor Rupa Veda, Upasya Veda will not bring the Upasana Veda was already proved as that. But basically Upasya is different, then the Upasana do differ. So here in the Vaishvanara Vidya it is pointed out in the Brihadaranyaka and Chandogya. So Upasya is one and the same. So therefore though they are at different places, they are one and the same. Who says this? Shruti itself gives a clue that they are one and the same. The sameness of Upasana is told in Shruti also, Sutra 4 and next page.